रेड बटन, वो लाल घंटी दबा दो, यूं करके दबा दो. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bhaiya in Germany. So topic for today is my 3 months experience, how I've been living in Germany, what sort of things I have seen, how much struggle I'm doing, what sort of things are going in my life, around my life, with my semesters, papers, jobs and all. So to start with, I'm gonna share one important lesson with you guys, which is Deutsch ist sehr wichtig, which means German is very important if you want to integrate yourself into the culture. The thing is, when I arrived in Germany, when I was at Frankfurt airport, people were talking in German that I was facing a lot of difficulties to understand what they were saying, and I was in an immigration line. So she started in German, but I said, "Could you please speak in English?" She said, "Okay." Then my immigration was done in English. So basically, what I would like you guys to do as well, learn German from your home country. There would be a seamless integration, unlike us, the ones who have just learned A1, A2 and coming to Germany. So talking about myself, I learned A1, A2 entirely through YouTube, watching some live sessions, watching solving some exercise. Everything was done by myself, and it took me almost 3 months to complete A2 by myself. And I wouldn't recommend you guys to do the same, because you know what happens when you learn things by yourself, thing changes, and you are very lazy to do stuff like me, because 3 months is a lot of time to learn just basics. It is indeed. You can learn those basics within a month or month and a half. So I would highly suggest you guys to join some authentic people who teaches German language. It would be very beneficial for you after coming to Germany. And before coming to Germany, after you have received your visa, there are few things that you have to remember. Keep all documents that will be required for you in your immigration. Not exactly, but to be on a safer side, you should carry all of them. You do your immigration, you take your whatever mode of transportation you booked from India, and you go to your destination with. And the thing is, after arriving over there, there are few things that you have to remember within 2 weeks. आपको सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन कराना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज उसके बाद आपके पास एक वैलिड रीजन होना चाहिए टू जस्टिफाई टू द सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस पीपल that why you were this much late or something like that. Then you have to explain them your gap. तो जब आप उनको explain करोगे, they'll understand and they'll do your city registration. It will be done within 5 minutes, not more than that. आप अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कीजिए, आपको एक अपॉइंटमेंट मिलेगा, उस अपॉइंटमेंट का एग्जैक्ट डेट पे आप वहाँ जाइए. You just have to carry your landlord certificate and passport. That is what I carried. But to be on a safer side, carry all your documents जो आप immigration पे लेके गए थे for your safer side. ताकि अगर कोई भी discrepancy होती, you can show other counter documents that yes, I'm legit. ऐसे होगा नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी. But to be on a safer side, I took those documents to that office, and I would suggest you to do the same. उसके बाद जब आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिखा दिए विद इन 5 मिनट्स, वो आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, जैसे आपका नाम वेरीफाई करेंगे एंड आपका रिलीजन पूछेंगे. एंड आफ्टर यू डन विद दैट, यू हैव योर अकोमोडेशन. आई अज्यूम दैट you have your accommodation with you, then only you can go to city registration office. Apart from that, you're not able to book an appointment, because without that certificate it's all waste your time, and it's free of cost. Yes, to be on point, it's free of cost. अब आपको उसके बाद जब आपने वो काम कर लिया, सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, विजिट सर्टन प्लेसेस, विजिट डिफरेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स इन द सिटी एंड ऑल. फेयर इनफ, आई ऑल्सो डिड द सेम. जब आप लोग घूमेंगे और सब कुछ होंगे, आपको कुछ चीज़ें में डिफिकल्टी फेस होगी. नंबर वन, आई माई सेल्फ हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट यू, बट NRW, नॉर्थ राइन वेस्टफालिया, I live in Paderborn. स्टेट का नाम NRW है, NRW. तो यहाँ पे क्लोज टू नो रेसिज्म है. यहाँ बहुत अच्छा स्टेट है, एंड सो आर द पीपल. एक्सेप्शंस आर एवरीवेयर. Apart from that, nothing happened. Everyone is sweet, everyone is kind. I told you, exceptions are everywhere, right? So उसमें you don't have to be scared of. But the thing is, मेरा point इसमें क्या convey करने का है, that you should know the language, so that you can talk to people, you can integrate yourself within the country. Because Germans are quite reserved people. they do not open that much easily. अगर आप उनकी मदर टंग में बात कर रहे हैं तो आप देखिए, दिल बी क्रैकिंग जोक्स अराउंड यू एंड मेनी थिंग्स विल बी हैपनिंग, बट आप उनके दोस्त होने चाहिए ना, आपको उनकी लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए. सारे पॉइंट्स का एक ही समरी कंक्लूजन निकलता है दैट यू शुड नो द लैंग्वेज. आप लैंग्वेज मास्टर कर लेंगे, आप बहुत चीज़ें मास्टर कर लेंगे. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेमेस्टर्स एंड ऑल, यूनिवर्सिटी में मैंने काफ़ी लोगों से पूछा था कि यूजुअली 2 years का कोर्स है, तो दे सेड देयर आर रेयर चांसेस दैट people have qualified in within 2 years. They are exceptional minds, leave them aside, but the average duration to complete this particular degree of yours is 2.5 to 3 years. And I agreed because I'm no exception, bro. Because आपको मैं एक चीज़ बताता हूँ, doing your degree in India is way more easier than doing your degree over here. Because in India what happens if you are in आप अगर एक private university में हैं, they'll try to push you to pass and leave the university within the stipulated time frame. उसी time frame के अंदर वो आपको push करेंगे कि भाई आप जाओ, आपकी डिग्री होगी, you are good to go. Whereas in Germany it's not the case, because यहाँ पे blue card की job लेना, that means STEM degree का at least you should be earning, I might be quoting the wrong figure, you please check yourself, but degrees are not that much easier to complete as compared to degrees that are easy to complete in India. तो आपको वो भी ध्यान रखना है. एंड यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन मेनी थिंग्स ब्रो, बिकॉज 1 year ब्लॉक्ड अमाउंट मनी इज गिवन बाय योर पेरेंट्स, राइट? फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट ईयर यू हैव टू, आपको खुद आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर से संभालना पड़ेगा. आपका फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन आपको देखनी पड़ेगी बाय योर सेल्फ, एंड आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू वर्क. It could be any job, bro. If you have work experience, you'll get a working job. Not that easily, but you'll eventually get one. आपको पार्ट टाइम देखनी पड़ेगी, आपको मिनी टाइम देखिए, आप और देखिए, बट यू हैव टू लुक. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट. यू कैन डू इट एंड यू हैव टू डू इट, बिकॉज फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. इट्स ऑन यू, इट्स नॉट ऑन देम. आप वो देखिए, आप अपना एक्सपेंसेस मैनेज कीजिए, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी पड़ेंगी. इट्स नॉट दैट अबाउट यूर कमिंग टू मास्टर्स जस्ट फॉर स्टडी. You have to manage a lot of things. You have to cook yourself. I rarely used to cook at my home. Rarely. But यहाँ पे आने के बाद I have no choice but to cook for myself. Right? तो ये भी होगा. And यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मैंने बच्चे भी देखे हैं who are not even cooking and they are spending their money in, eating outside. At the moment when you have money in your blocked account, it's easy, nothing seems hard. कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पैसा है, थोड़ा खर्च कर लेते हैं. बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू कम टू द एंड ऑफ द ईयर, वो जब मनी डिक्रीज होता जाएगा, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ता जाएगा. अगर आप कोई जॉब नहीं कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर enjoying your life to the fullest, it won't happen that way. You have to do it irrespective. If you are rich, no issues, exception, let it be like that. But if you think you have to manage yourself, you have to manage your things by yourself, you have to start doing it. And आपका ego बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए, because it could be any job. You're doing it for money and just for a temporary basis until and unless you get a white collar job or a good job. वो आपके ऊपर है. एंड पेपर्स का यहाँ पे ऐसे होता है, क्लासेस, सम ऑफ माई क्लासेस आर एंडिंग ऑन 17th July, राइट? एंड यूल बी शॉक टू नो, मेरा फाइनल सेमेस्टर की क्लासेस 17 जुलाई को ख़त्म हो रही हैं, और आपको मैं बताता हूँ उनका पेपर 30th को है, द सेम मंथ 30th. टू study all those backlogs that I didn't study for a long time since coming to Germany, and within 13 days I have to study them and pass the exam. It's like that. I was also quite shocked to see such type of timetable, because मैं जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में था वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट वी यूज टू गेट अ मंथ गैप, और एटलीस्ट 20-25 days गैप हमें मिलता था. देन वी यूज टू हैव आवर पेपर्स. एटलीस्ट दे कुड हैव गिवन अस 5-7 days of, or even 3-4 days of gap between each paper. Eventually we have to clear it up, because we are doing masters and we have to stick to the timetable which is given by them, not by us. So ये सब कुछ था. You have to look around many things, your expenses, language, back and forth. You'll be having ups and downs in your life because you're not living in India. You're living a life in abroad where nobody knows you. You are from scratch. You have to do every single thing by yourself. आप अपने पेरेंट्स पे रिलाई नहीं करोगे, आपको सारी चीज़ें खुद करनी पड़ेंगी. सो इट्स बेटर टू फोकस ऑन थिंग्स that are beneficial for you. And if you want a personal counseling session with me one-on-one, you can book it on topmint.io. And अगर आपको if you're not able to do so, you can also send me DMs on my Instagram. I'll be much more happy to answer them because I have a lot of messages in my inbox. So that would be also okay. You can write me an email, or the best way, you can also comment down your opinions or your thoughts, whatever you have a question related to. And before ending this video, I've seen that most of you people watched my video. I don't know why you guys don't subscribe. It's just a red button. If you are doing it, it will be definitely boosting my motivation, and I'll be making more such videos in the future.